Galaxy Buds are already exceptional, but we wanted to introduce a new form factor that helps you to tune into life. A unique design matched with awesome sounds. Listen.
Shake me awake, bring me back to reality.
Oh, wow. That looks so beautiful, don't you guys think? I wonder what's inside. The Galaxy Buds Live. They look larger than life there, but the case is actually super small. It fits right in the palm of my hand or in my pocket. See? Doesn't it look like a little jewelry box? I love it. The buds come in a choice of 3 colors, including the super chic Mystic Bronze, which I am personally loving. And they are going to look fabulous with the Note 20 or Tab S7. The Buds Live are also eco-friendly, which is amazing, right? Both the buds and the case are made of recycled materials. And to top it off, you can jazz it up with a ton of colors and accessories to personalize it. Now, here they are in the case. Ta-da! Don't they look super chic? And they should look great because we notice more and more people keep their buds in throughout the day. That's also why we designed the Buds Live for all-day comfort. It took a ton of research and so many prototypes, but the good news is the result is the first open-type buds in the Galaxy series. Now, all you have to do is, the wingtips face up just like this, and they fit perfectly in the curve of my ear. When I put them in, they rest really lightly and securely. And it doesn't feel like I'm wearing earplugs, which is the worst. Even better, you don't have that awkward stem sticking out. They look pretty fabulous, truly one of a kind. Another great thing is, when I'm running from one thing to the next, I don't want to have to worry about my battery, do you? In fact, I get up to 6 hours of playtime, and the charging case provides up to 21 hours in total. My Buds Live can keep up with me all day and longer. Oh, and the controls are easy and even customizable. So you know your favorite Spotify playlist? It's just now to tap away. You don't have to reach for your phone anymore. Best of all, Buds Live have incredible high sound quality with powerful bass boosts. It sounds like you're in a room together, just you and your favorite band hanging out. Buds Live bring you close to the optimal sound of the Harman curve. And for all you audiophiles out there, you know what that means. Now, you're going to love the active noise cancellation for OpenType. It's a first in our Bud series. It lets you tune in without tuning out. So you can get lost in your favorite podcast, but you won't miss your subway stop because you'll be able to hear all those announcements really clearly. This is possible because we cut low-band background noise by up to 97%. That means it drowns out the sounds you don't want to hear and picks up the sounds you do. Buds Live provide the best call quality too, with 3 microphones and a voice pickup unit. If I get a call while I'm out and about and it's really, really loud, the mics will minimize the noise outside so I can be heard more clearly. Now check this out. We compared Buds Live with a pair of wireless earphones from another company. Both recordings were made under the exact same conditions.
Can you hear me? If you can, this is Buds Live. If you can't, it's not. Can you hear me? If you can, this is Buds Live. If you can't, it's not.
You can totally hear the difference, right? When it comes to reducing noise, Buds Live, they're the clear winner. And they play really well with the other Galaxy devices in our ecosystem. If you're making videos with your Note 20, the microphones on your Buds Live can give you exceptional sound quality. My favorite though, it enhances your viewing experience. You know, sometimes you're watching something and you're just dying to share it with a friend, but sharing your Buds, well, it's kind of a bummer because you get half the sound and you don't get that immersive experience you love. The Galaxy ecosystem has a solution. Mary, come, let's show them how it works.
Here you go.
Thank you.
But my buds are already connected to my Note.
Oh, no problem. I'm gonna just do a few little taps here. It says play.
Ah, that's mine.
Yeah. And then, good. Now, let me show you what I've been watching these days. Hopefully you'll dig it as well.
Oh, wow. That's really loud and scary.
Oh, no problem. I can turn down the volume on both our buds at the same time, just like this. See?
Much better. That's really convenient.
I know, right? I think that's it. Do you want to continue to watch?
That's it?
Yeah, sure is.
All right.
Thank you.
I think I'm gonna rent a Monte Carlo. I love Lucy, I'm Ricky Rock.
Hey, I'm on my way.
The next stop is 30th Street.